And meal time again. Wow, these two got made. Let's share a couple. Come here, little guy. Before you jump in there. Right behind you is one. Full one right there. See? Get one more big one out of here. Come over here. Look. There's a whole bowl for you. Keep the paw out. There you go. A little more evenly matched. Okay, he's such a little aggressive eater.
Oh, yeah. He's to right. You noticed that about him.
He's got a good appetite. These are great bulls. I don't know what I paid, but I'll buy them again. You don't go inside them very often. Nope, there goes one foot. Just when I said they don't go in there.
Listen to that munching.
I know.
Is that with or without teeth?
I'm just looking. Definitely eating a lot better and faster now. They got this stuff figured out. They eat healthy enough to go anywhere right now. The only thing is we got to hold them 8 weeks. I seen a puppy that was. And at PetSmart, I think. Maybe it was Petco. They had a little puppy they was carrying. And it wasn't doing real well. It was sick. And wrapped in a blanket. Boy, I just step that cup up a little bit here. They're eating that pretty quick now. Now they got the habit. They like the puppy chow, you think?
Mm-hmm.
You got the right one, that's good.
Oh, this is a different one now?
Yes, this is the new one.
Oh, they like
the
it.
mini from Old Canyon, yeah. I like it. Got to put it in a bowl.